Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Jaden the Small Engine Repair. Today's videos, we're going to be cleaning this carburetor on this how to fix a snapper mower. Today's project is going to be this 1980 snapper mower. Let's get to it. It has a Briggs engine. Just needs a carb clean. Should run great. The gasket's a little faded, but it'll be fine. A little touch-up paint, she'll be like brand new. We don't have to worry about any of that. Alright, let's get to it. So we're going to grab I took out the two bolts that held the carburetor cover on. I'm going to take a fuel shut off. Pop the fuel shut off on there. No issues, just easy. Tighten it down. You can get these at Harbor Freight, Walmart, any auto parts store. Harbor Freight's definitely the cheapest, but you gotta buy the cheap ones, not the expensive ones that they got. We're gonna pop off our fuel line. Pop off our fuel line. There we go. Just pull it off slowly. Pull. There we go. Let's get pull off our fuel line. See what very much is coming out. Very dirty carburetor inside of there. Now, we're going to grab our 8mm socket. Like there. We're holding the carburetor on in its base. Set our two bolts that look just like this. Those two aside. There we go. Loosen that off. There we go. Set that bolt aside. The other one. Move that out of the way. Disconnect that. Disconnect that linkage. Disconnect our top linkage here. It's kind of difficult. You gotta pull that down, pull it all the way back. That, and pull that all the way forward. Oh man. Down, tilt the side, just like that. There we go. There's our extremely dirty carburetor. Let's go clean this. Guys, it's gonna be a 13mm bolt to get off the carb bowl. Let's pop that off. I wasn't that tight though, actually. They'll be tighter. Let's hope for the best. Oh, no. Oh, God. Nope, that's not looking good for us. Let's pop off our bowl. Well, at least it's a little loose. Oh, yikes, that's a bad gasket. Try to keep that gasket. Wowzers, that is dirty. Let's clean this crap, man. My God. Got some carb cleaner here. Cam2. Pretty good brand. I'd rather have another brand though. Just gonna get it all soaked, blow it off. Blow all that out, blow off all the sides, get all that cleaned off. Make sure this is working. Blow down that tube, blow down the middle tubes, blow all around the edges, blow out our bowl. Let's use some compressed air. Now a paper towel. There we go. It's brand new. Wipe it all off. Perfect. Grab some dang compressed air. Got some compressed air. Alright. I'll blow through all our holes. Blow through that hole. This hole. To that hole. 2 holes in the middle. Alright, all those are clean. It's working well. We're going to look at this jet. Pop off your little gasket on it. Make sure you don't lose that. Alrighty. Blow out our jet. Alrighty. Alright, we got our jet. Blow out our jet. Blow out this hole again. You can see it's clean. There you go, you can see it. That one's clean. Let's put our car back together. It's going to be the same procedure as we took it off. Just take off that bolt, put that back on. Make sure you don't forget the gasket, and put it back on the engine. Alright guys, we're back. And put this thing onto the engine. Alright, so I'm going to take this spring. Pop the spring right in the hole right there. This is going to sit like that onto the engine. That'll be our throttle. That'll tilt onto there like that. Oops, wrong one. That goes like that. Tilt that back. There we go. Now we gotta grab 2 bolts. One. Really weird angle. We gotta try to aim it perfectly. And that thing will rev up, and it'll, pull the carburetor spring. So I'm having it on low idle. It's all hooked up well. Then we're going to grab our big old air box here. Special Briggs air filter housing goes upward into this carburetor. That's it. Let's get to it.